Here we got ourselves lot number 1856A. Part number stamping on the engine. It is a FST IQ switchback turbo engine, 750cc Weber motor. We got 6 engines to sell. This is one of them. We're going to do the compression test to show you what it's got. As you can see, it's got the turbocharger there. Alternator is there, bracket, belt, pulley, mount. No injectors, no fuel rail. Sensor over there. Knock sensors down here. The starter will take off. I'll show you pictures to show you what you receive. We will start with the clutch side. Are we on clutch side? Clutch side first. So we got 148 PSI on the clutch side. Now we're going to do the other side.
Whoops.
Whoopsie. Which would be the alternator side. And 149 PSI on that side. So as you can see, it's got caps in there for the injector. We got a bunch of motors in from Polaris dealer. 218-844-4968 if you want to contact us on these motors. We'll be selling them on eBay. Thanks for stopping by.